Okay, Arctic Morbid here. Here's my setup. We're going to experiment a little bit today. So we have the Marshall cabinet. We're going to record one sound coming out of the speaker here. The Shure mic is right up to the grill. This is going into the Zoom recorder, which is right there. Okay, we're going to record one signal. I'm going to monitor it with that from the Kramer, and then we're going to have a little sound comparison and see what that sounds like. So we're going to try the Shure mic first, and then we're going to try the Audix mic, which is right here. Kind of blend those two together. If I can come up with a nice riff that we can replicate, and then we're going to give it a shot and just see what it sounds. That's what it's all about. Finding a good sound is experimenting, even in a big room that's not sound treated. So let's see how it goes, and then you're going to see the other video coming up pretty soon. All right. This is the sound of the Panasonic big empty room. No mics or anything. We're going to record the mics next, and so we're going to play just a simple riff. Okay, now this video, where what we're going to do is we're going to play the same riff. We're recording the SM57, and I record on Zoom H4npro, and then the sound that you're going to hear next will be what it sounds like through the recording with just the same microphone. So let's get started. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we have the Audix, which is it sounds a lot brighter, I can tell you that right now. So we're going to play it, and you're going to hear it back. Just hear what that sounds like. It's almost at the same spot as the SM57, so let's play the same riff. Okay, so that's it. So you heard the different recordings, and we have a little video. I'm going to try to mix those two together, even though they're not completely on time. I'm just going to experiment and try to get some sound out of there. This little camera that I used to record. This one is definitely a lot brighter than the SM57. So we don't have the pedals or anything going through it. It's just the raw sound. It's just an experiment. I hope you guys liked it. All right, see you on the next one.